Globally, millions of tons of polystyrene end up in our oceans. It breaks into microplastics, infiltrates marine food chains, and remains in the environment for centuries. It's virtually impossible to recycle effectively, and once it's in the sea, it stays there. But the problem doesn't stop there. Along the Slovenian coast, more than 20 cubic meters of seagrass are collected and incinerated every day during summer. Cleaning it is labor-intensive, and disposing of it by burning releases carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. A major threat to the Adriatic Sea is nitrogen pollution, primarily from agricultural runoff via the Po River. Excess nitrogen feeds algal blooms, which choke marine ecosystems, deplete oxygen levels, and block sunlight from reaching seagrass beds. But what if the algae causing these blooms and waste seagrass could actually help solve the problem? Introducing Seapack. Our biodegradable packaging material made from locally sourced seagrass waste, algae-derived gelatin, and glycerin. Developed by our student team, Seapack is designed to replace polystyrene in secondary shipping packaging. It's compostable, ocean-friendly, and made from materials that would otherwise go to waste. By integrating local natural cycles and reducing reliance on petroleum-based plastics, Seapack offers a tangible, scalable step toward a more sustainable shipping industry. The sea has given us a signal. It's time we listen and respond not with pollution, but with design. Seapack. Grown by the sea, returned to the sea.